Today let's take a look at Portable Mixer cum Audio Interface by Soundcraft Notepad 12FX. It's a 12-channel mixer with 4x4 audio interface. It has 4 mic preamps with phantom power which cannot switched off. It has a 100 Hz high-pass filter on first 4 channels and high Z switch on channel 1 and 3. It can send and return 4-channel audio through USB. It has onboard Lexicon FX with topping delay. It is powered by 18-volt DC adapter. The levels of individual channels are controlled by knob and the master bus has a smooth slider. The first 4 channels has 3-band EQ and gain knob. It has balanced XLR master bus out, a headphone out, FX send and return and a auxiliary which can be switched between mono and stereo. The signal to the headphones can be switched between master bus and 3/4 USB return. This device can be connected to the computer via USB 2.0. It is compatible with Mac OS X, Windows, and Linux. It is plug and play with Mac and Linux. But Windows requires SoundCraft driver. The SoundCraft control panel lets you choose the inputs, outputs, and buffer. Input 1 and 2 are fixed to mic 1 and 2. Input 3 and 4 can be chosen between mic 3 and 4, stereo 5 and 6, stereo 7 and 8, and master bus. Let's check this interface with pink noise. I have opened FL Studio on my PC. I am going to send pink noise from a tone generator to different channels. These channels are sent back to FL Studio via USB. On the return channel I will put a frequency analyzer, so we can see the frequency response. I am using Uzen's equalizer as frequency analyzer. Let's play some test tones. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for future videos.